Hello everyone, many greetings on the behalf of Guru Schools. This is Aditi Gupta, Tableau trainer at Guru Schools. So if we talk about Tableau in here, it is one of the leading reporting tool and the data analytics business intelligence tool to make or to convert the whole data into dashboards and reports. So here in Guru Schools, we provide all of you out there 6 weeks Tableau instructor lead training in there. Okay, and throughout the training, throughout the 6 weeks, we're going to cover the full course of Tableau from very basics to the advanced level. So if you heard about 6 pillars of Guru Schools in here, first of all, we're going to provide you the Tableau training for the 6 weeks, which is fully depend on the industries, the current market scenario. The curriculum designed in such a way that you will not face any issues when you are placed with us as well or in any of the organizations in the US and in all over the world as well. So if we talk about 6 pillars, the first pillar will be the instructor lead training. Second, we're going to give certification if you will complete the full training in there. Third, we're going to help you with the resume preparation as well. Okay, I am going to help you to make your reference ready resume, where if you will, publish in the market in any of the organizations you want to work for, it will make you ahead from others. We're going to use your resume in such a way that you will be so confident and will make your experience, the projects, and write in your resume if you have any gap as well within your studies to the job in throughout the years, there will be no issues. We're going to help you to make reference ready resume after completion of throughout the training with us and after the certification as well. Then we're going to help you with the vendor interview preparation. Okay, and then with the client interview preparation, we are going to give you 100% support in your placement, because the training will be free of cost. You don't need to do any single investment from your end. What you need to do is you need to just learn consistently with us. After completion of this free training, we're going to certify you. After resume preparation, you will be certified and you are ready for the client interviews as well. And after that, after your placement, we're going to give you the support in throughout your project, because it will help you to sustain on your organization in your placement and in any of the industry you are working for. So we're going to give you the job support as well. So throughout the training to the job support, if you are enrolled with the Tableau course with us, I am going to help you from your basics to advanced level, from your no job journey to the advanced 6 figures job journey of yours. If you will see the Tableau jobs in the US, in the famous websites like LinkedIn, Dice, Career Builder, you will see that many opportunities will come to you. Many opportunities will open once you enroll for these Tableau courses. Why is it so? Because in Tableau, we are going to work on a data. We are going to work on the business intelligence. We're going to convert the organization's data into the growth related decisions. We're going to predict the future of the organization. And I am the one who is help you to understand that particular tool, to understand how you can work on the data, and to understand how we can make the revenue related decisions, growth related decisions for any organizations. Okay, so thank you so much for hearing the video till now, and do enroll for the Tableau course. See the whole presentations on the Tableau which is given by me, which is already uploaded on the YouTube as well, and you will see and you will be more confident. See the flyer of the Tableau as well, and you will see that from week 1 to week 6 what are the curriculum we are covering in throughout the the course which we are going to provide you, the whole training which we are going to provide you in the Tableau. Yeah, so if we talk about Tableau, we're going to work on the large data sets, we're going to work on the industry related scenarios, we're going to predict the future of the organizations and many more. And which is very important thing is here is you don't need any technical knowledge for that. This is the very plus point. You don't need any technical knowledge, you don't need any strong academic background. What you need to have is a good communication and presentation skills, and you need to learn everything dedicatedly. And what you need to do is you just need to follow my instructions, that from point 1 to point 10 you need to follow a learning path as per my experience, as per my point of view, and then you will see that many more career opportunities will open for you. This training is totally free of cost. So why, for what you are waiting for? Which miracle you are waiting for? Please don't procrastinating the things. Please don't delaying the things. If you want to learn any new technology, learn it now. If you want to get a job in a 6 figures, then start working on the new technologies from today itself. Okay, so please don't wait for any miracle to happen. No miracle will going to happen in your life until you will work on that. Until you will work consistently, you will learn consistently the new latest technologies which is highly demanded in the market, which will also helpful for you to have a 6 figures job for sure. Okay, so please don't wait for anything. This training is fully free for you. Enroll for the Tableau course as of now. Research that which BI tool, which data related tool you need to learn in throughout the 2021 to make you ahead from others. You will see that many more career opportunities will come to you. Thank you so much, and do enroll for the Tableau course. You will see how will I help you throughout your journey. Bye. Greetings again from Aditi this side from Guru Schools, a Tableau trainer. Thank you.